In this video, you will see the steps to grant access to new SAS Set. The next step is to grant access to this new set. By default, no one has been given access to this new set. You must give access manually via the EPM console. Select the newly created set. Select the new set and then click to open the set administration. Choose a user that can authenticate here. Click the user to configure it. In this example, the user, Jeff, is the primary user and should be given full control access to do what he needs to do with this set. When the dialog box appears, find the new set. Select the drop-down and select Full Control Set Admin, or the option that is appropriate for the user's permissions. Click OK to confirm. You have now successfully granted access to the set. For more information, check out our online resources.